Most of you are working harder on your side hustle just to stay broke. You've been told to chase low barrier markets, dropshipping, AI image farms, and basic surveys. But here's the brutal reality. If anyone can do it, everyone is doing it. And when everyone does it, the profit margin is zero. In 2026, the barrier to entry isn't your friend, it's your enemy. We are going to stop chasing trends and start building moats. By the end of this video, you'll see why your current hustle is actually a mathematical trap, and I'll give you the 4 wealth engines that are actually making people 6 figures this year. Let's talk about the John story. In 2024, John saw a TikTok about AI generated children books, and then he spent next 6 months 4 hours a night pumping out hundreds of books, and what happened is he made a grand total of $12. Why? Because while John was making 100 books, a million other Johns were doing the same thing. That's why competition is for losers. That's a quote from Peter Thiel, and it's never been truer than now. When you choose a side hustle because it is easy to start, you are literally choosing to compete with entire world. And let me clarify you, if your business requires no specialized knowledge, you aren't an entrepreneur. You are actually a commodity. And commodities are always replaced by cheapest bidder. So you are actually thinking, how do you win in today's era? You see, you look for asymmetric upside. This is where your potential for gain is massive. But your input once the system is built, it stays the same. And once Naval Ravikant said, earn with your mind, not your time. To win in 2026, you need a high skill mode. This is something that takes 6 months to learn, not 6 minutes. By the way, when I say 6 months, I mean 6 months to master it. If you start from today, you can literally earn from next week. So that 6-month learning curve is a filter. It's keep the 99% out. So we are going to be discuss 4 hustles that are actually a winner in 2026. If you want to make real money in 2026, you have to stop looking for jobs and start looking for friction. Every small business in your city is drowning in manual tasks that are killing their profits. They don't need an AI expert. They need someone to fix their leaky pipes. Look at Sarah. Sarah didn't know how to code, but she understood one thing. Time is more expensive than software. She noticed her local dentist was losing thousands of dollars because they were too busy to call back to new leads immediately. And by the time receptionist called back, the patient had already booked with someone else. And then Sarah saw the problem and she used this amazing way to fix this. Sarah built a digital pipeline using a tool called Zapier. And here is exactly workflow she sold them. And let me give you this in 4 steps so you can do the same. Step 1. A new patient fills out a form on website whenever they want to contact the dentist. Step 2. Zapier catch that info and send it to ChatGPT. And step 3. ChatGPT instantly summarize the lead needs. And step 4. It send an immediate message to the dentist personal phone with a summary and a click to call button. So you can see the result. Sarah charged that dentist $1,500 for a one-time setup. It took her exactly 3 hours of digital Lego building, and she didn't sell her time. She sold a system that ensured the dentist never miss a $5,000 dental lead again. Today, Sarah manages 10 different local businesses, charging a small monthly maintenance fee just to keep the light on. This is what we call wealth engine. So you're probably thinking, how do you start? I want to say it that don't overthink it. Go to Zapier.com or Make.com. These are no-code platform. You only just need to find manual tasks like replying to fax or replying to emails or sorting leads into a spreadsheet. You just need to automate them. Find a business owner who is stressed. Show a 30-second demo of the lead hitting their phone instantly, and your sale is already made by this. You aren't a freelancer anymore. You are a solution architect who can help multiple businesses with their problem solving needs. You are a solution architect who build a digital pipeline with the modern day tools. Every business owner and podcaster want to be famous on TikTok Reels, but they are too busy to edit videos. Now you might think AI can edit videos for me. Yes, you are right. AI can add captions, edit your video, summarize your keywords, but AI is boring. You already know it. If you see a video which made by AI, you probably swipe past it in 1 second. This is where your job comes in. You use tools like Submagic to do the boring work of adding caption, but then you spend next 30 minutes adding the human feeling into it. Like you added a funny sound effect when speaker makes a joke, or you zoom in on their face when they say something important. There are many ways to add human touch into it which you need to find by yourself. You are not just an editor, you are the person who makes them to go viral. So as always, you wondering how to start. It's very simple to implement. Find a YouTube video you like, take a 3-minute section and turn it into a 5 amazing TikTok. Send them to creator for free, and when they see the quality, they will pay you to do it every single week. And you can learn the editing in less than a week. There's so many free YouTube guides where you can learn the whole editing thing. In the past, people sold courses. They were actually long and boring videos that no one ever watched. And in 2026, people are lonely and they want to talk to experts. Let's look at a guy named Mark. Mark didn't make a fitness course as everyone is already doing. Instead of this, he started a private Discord group specifically for people over 40 who want to run their first 5k. Now Mark doesn't have a million followers. He just simply have 50 people in a group who help each other. They pay him $20 a month just to be in that room and ask him fitness questions. This is $1,000 every single month of automatic income. And how to start? Pick a specific problem you have solved in your own life. Now use a platform like School or Discord to build a community. You will going to share your journey on social media and invite people who have same problem to join you. Charge each person for a small fee to join that group. In this case, you just need 40 to 50 members to automate $1,000 every single month. This is the easiest way to start making money this week. It is called user-generated content. Big companies are actually scared of AI. Why? Because they know that customers don't trust perfect commercial anymore. Customers trust real people in real house. Companies will pay you to record a simple video of using their product. They just don't want you to post it on your Instagram. They want to buy the video from you so they can use it from their own ads. And here's the plan. Take a product you already own, for example, a pair of headphones, your mobile phone cover, your gym clothes, and etc. Record yourself for a 30-second video explaining why you actually like them. Send that video to company's marketing department. They will review it. If your video is actually raw and authentic, they will often pay you between $100 to $300 for a single 30-second video. You don't need a fancy camera in this case, you just need to be a real human being. And this is very practical side hustles you can look for in 2026. Most of you will finish this video and look for the next easy thing. And I can guarantee this, that is the 99% people's mindset. And 1% of the people will choose these 4 paths and start working on them. I want to say this, stop building jobs for yourself. Stop trading an hour for $1. As Rohn said, profits are better than wage. Wage make you living, which is fine. Profit make you a fortune.